In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert CSV to Excel. If you need to turn a CSV file into a proper Excel workbook, the good news is that it's very simple and only takes a moment. A CSV file is great for storing plain table data, but an Excel file in the XLSX format is usually easier to edit, save, and share when you're working inside Microsoft Excel. The easiest method is to do the conversion directly in Excel. First, locate your CSV file on your computer. Make sure you know where it's saved before you begin, since that will make the process quicker and smoother. Once you've found the file, right-click on it. From the menu, choose Open With, and then select Microsoft Excel. This will open the CSV file inside Excel so you can review the data before saving it in a different format. After the file opens, go to the File menu, then click Save As. This is the important step where you change the file type. In the Save As type drop-down menu, select Excel Workbook, which uses the XLSX format. Then click Save. That's it. Your CSV file has now been converted into an Excel file. If Excel shows a message about possible formatting or compatibility changes, that's normal. Since CSV files don't support the same features as Excel workbooks, saving as XLSX allows the file to keep Excel-friendly formatting and structure going forward. Now, if you don't have Microsoft Excel, there's still an easy alternative. You can use an online converter by going to convertio.so/CSV-XLSX. Once you're there, upload your CSV file, click Convert, and then download the finished Excel file in XLSX format. This is a quick option when you need the conversion done without installing software. One quick tip before you go. Sometimes when you open a CSV file in Excel, all the data appears in a single column instead of being separated properly. If that happens, don't worry. In Excel, go to the Data tab, then choose Text to Columns. Select Delimited, click Next if prompted, choose Comma as the separator, and then click Finish. Excel will split the data into the correct columns based on the commas in the file. That's the full process. Whether you use Microsoft Excel or an online converter, converting CSV to Excel is fast and straightforward once you know where to click.